Understanding Indian Laws for Aspiring Lawyers.
Welcome, future legal luminaries, to a journey through the intricate world of Indian laws, a journey that promises to enlighten, challenge, and empower you as aspiring lawyers. In this introductory segment, we embark on a quest to unravel the rich tapestry of India's legal system, a system that serves as the bedrock of our democracy and a guardian of our rights and liberties. India, with its diverse culture, history, and socio-economic dynamics, boasts a legal landscape as multifaceted as the nation itself. As you embark on your journey to becoming legal professionals, it is imperative to comprehend the fundamental pillars of this system, for it is here that you will find your purpose, your passion, and your potential for making a profound impact on society. Our exploration begins with a panoramic view of the Indian legal system. We'll examine its three primary branches, the judiciary, the legislature, and the executive, and understand how they function harmoniously to uphold the rule of law. We'll also delve into the Constitution of India, a document that not only defines our rights and responsibilities, but also serves as a beacon of democracy for the world. But our voyage goes beyond the surface, as we dive into the sources of Indian law. We'll explore the statutes enacted by the Parliament, the interpretations forged by our judiciary, and the influence of international law on our legal principles. Together, we'll dissect the intricacies of legal scholarship and commentary, learning how secondary sources play a vital role in understanding and applying our laws. In the video that follow, we'll navigate through the branches of Indian law, civil and criminal, and discover how lawyers specialize in areas such as family law, property law, and corporate law. We'll unveil the educational path that leads to the esteemed title of lawyer and discuss the vast array of career opportunities that await you in this noble profession. Our voyage will not be complete without a glimpse into the past. We'll study landmark Indian legal cases, those pivotal moments when the scales of justice tipped and left an indelible mark on our jurisprudence. These cases, often brimming with profound legal principles and profound social implications, showcase the dynamism of our legal system. As we navigate the waters of contemporary India, we'll confront the legal issues of our time. From privacy concerns to environmental challenges and the evolving landscape of cybercrime, we'll examine how the law grapples with the complexities of our modern world. But, dear future lawyers, our journey doesn't end here. Our exploration will extend to the ethical and professional responsibilities that will guide your practice. We'll delve into the ethics of the legal profession and the ethical obligations you will bear as guardians of justice. So, fasten your intellectual seatbelts, for this voyage promises to be exhilarating. It's a journey that will not only equip you with knowledge, but also instill in you the values, principles, and sense of purpose that define the legal profession. Together, we shall navigate the labyrinthine corridors of Indian law, unravel its intricacies, and emerge as torchbearers of justice, ready to illuminate the path for a just and equitable society. Ladies and gentlemen, let's embark on this extraordinary odyssey through the legal landscape of India, a voyage that will shape you into the legal stalwarts of tomorrow.
Overview of Indian legal system.
We embark on a journey to understand the intricate web of the Indian legal system. To begin, let's explore the three branches that constitute the backbone of this system: the judiciary, the legislature, and the executive. Each branch plays a distinct yet interconnected role. The judiciary, led by the Supreme Court of India and the High Courts, interprets and applies the laws, ensuring that justice prevails. The legislature, comprising the parliament at the national level and state legislatures, is responsible for crafting and enacting laws. The executive, led by the president at the national level and governors at the state level, executes these laws. The Constitution of India serves as our guiding light, the supreme legal document that enshrines our rights, liberties, and the basic structure of our democracy. It's essential to recognize that the Constitution not only outlines the powers and responsibilities of each branch, but also acts as a shield protecting citizens' fundamental rights. This chapter will lay the foundation for your understanding of Indian law by emphasizing the importance of the rule of law and the Constitution's role in upholding it.
What are the three branches of the Indian legal system, and what are their respective functions?
The three branches are the judiciary, the legislature, and the executive. The judiciary interprets and applies laws, the legislature creates laws, and the executive enforces them.
Why is the Constitution of India considered the cornerstone of Indian law?
The Constitution is the cornerstone because it establishes the framework for governance, defines citizens' rights and duties, and serves as the highest legal authority in the country.
Sources of Indian law.
We plunge into the wellspring of Indian law, its sources. Our legal system draws its strength and legitimacy from these sources, each playing a unique role in shaping the jurisprudence of the nation. The primary sources of Indian law are the Constitution of India, statutes, and case law. The Constitution of India, affectionately known as the supreme law of the land, is our guiding star. It not only bestows citizens with fundamental rights and directs the organization of the government, but also provides a mechanism for amending itself. It's a living document that embodies our aspirations, values, and vision for the nation. Our first question is often about how to define our laws, and the Constitution offers the answer. It's the compass that guides all legal proceedings.
What are the primary sources of Indian law, and how does the Constitution of India fit into this framework?
The primary sources include the Constitution of India, statutes, and case law. The Constitution holds a paramount position as it defines the framework of our legal system and enshrines fundamental rights. Next, we turn our attention to statutes, laws enacted by the Parliament and state legislatures. These are the legislative edifices that govern various aspects of our lives, from criminal offenses to contract laws. Statutes are meticulously crafted, debated, and voted upon by our elected representatives. Aspiring lawyers will often find themselves deciphering these statutes, drawing insights from their language and intent to advocate for their clients.
How do statutes contribute to the Indian legal system, and who is responsible for enacting them?
Statutes are crucial in governing various aspects of our lives. They are enacted by the Parliament and state legislatures, our elected representatives. Lastly, we delve into the realm of case law, judicial decisions that serve as binding precedents in our legal system. These decisions are born in the crucible of courtrooms, where judges meticulously weigh evidence, arguments, and legal principles. When a case reaches its conclusion, it often leaves behind a trail of legal principles and interpretations that shape future judgments. Case law is a testament to the dynamic nature of our legal system, where each decision adds to the tapestry of jurisprudence.
Branches of Indian law.
We embark on a journey to explore the diverse branches of Indian law, a testament to the intricacies of our society and the need for specialized legal expertise. We will uncover the distinctions between civil and criminal law, delve into specialized areas such as family law and property law, and understand how lawyers choose their paths within this intricate legal labyrinth. Let's start by distinguishing between civil law and criminal law. Civil law addresses disputes between individuals, entities, or the state. It is primarily concerned with remedies and compensation for harm or loss. In contrast, criminal law deals with offenses against the state, where individuals are charged with breaking the law and may face penalties such as fines or imprisonment. These two branches of law represent distinct paths that legal practitioners can pursue, each requiring a unique set of skills and perspectives.
How would you differentiate between civil law and criminal law in India, and what are the primary differences in their focus?
Civil law pertains to disputes between individuals or entities and focuses on remedies and compensation. Criminal law addresses offenses against the state and involves penalties for breaking the law. Within these broad categories lie specialized branches of law, each with its own intricacies and nuances. Family law, for example, deals with matters like marriage, divorce, and child custody. It plays a crucial role in ensuring the welfare and protection of family members during challenging times. Property law governs the rights and obligations related to property ownership and transactions, a field that intersects with various aspects of life, including real estate and inheritance.
Could you provide examples of specialized branches of Indian law and explain their significance in our society?
Specialized branches include family law and property law. Family law deals with issues like marriage and divorce, while property law governs property rights and transactions, impacting real estate and inheritance. Aspiring lawyers often find themselves at a crossroads when choosing their areas of specialization. Some are drawn to the emotional nuances of family law, where they can make a profound impact on individuals' lives during difficult times. Others may be captivated by the intricacies of property law, navigating the complex terrain of property transactions and rights.
Legal education and career path.
We set our sights on the educational and career journey that aspiring lawyers in India embark upon. Becoming a lawyer in India is a path filled with rigorous academic pursuits, professional training, and a commitment to upholding justice. Let's explore the educational requirements, the role of the Bar Council of India, and the diverse career prospects that await those who tread this legal path. To step onto the path of law in India, one must begin with a solid foundation in legal education. Typically, this journey starts after completing a bachelor's degree in any discipline, followed by enrollment in a 3-year LLB program or a 5-year integrated LLB program after high school. These programs lay the groundwork for legal knowledge and skills development, covering various aspects of Indian law.
What are the educational requirements for becoming a lawyer in India, and how does one initiate their legal education?
To become a lawyer in India, one can enroll in a 3-year LLB program after a bachelor's degree or a 5-year integrated LLB program after high school. The Bar Council of India, the apex regulatory body for legal education and practice in the country, plays a pivotal role in shaping the legal landscape. It sets standards for legal education institutions, conducts the All India Bar Examination (AIB), and regulates the legal profession. The AIB is a significant milestone for aspiring lawyers, assessing their knowledge and competence before they can practice law.
Can you explain the role of the Bar Council of India in regulating legal education and the legal profession?
The Bar Council of India sets standards for legal education, conducts the All India Bar Examination (AIB), and regulates the legal profession, including licensing lawyers. Once the educational journey is complete and aspiring lawyers are admitted to the bar, a world of diverse career prospects unfolds before them. These prospects range from the traditional path of litigation, where lawyers represent clients in court, to corporate law, government service, academia, and public interest law. Each avenue offers unique challenges and opportunities, allowing lawyers to specialize in their areas of interest.
Landmark Indian legal cases.
We delve into the annals of Indian jurisprudence to explore some of the most significant and impactful legal cases in the country's history. These landmark cases have left an indelible mark on the interpretation and application of Indian law, shaping the legal landscape and society at large. Let's take a closer look at one such case and its profound implications. One of the landmark cases in Indian legal history is the Kesavananda Bharati case, 1973. This case is hailed for establishing the basic structure, doctrine of the Indian Constitution. In this monumental judgment, the Supreme Court of India upheld the Parliament's power to amend the Constitution, but placed certain limitations on it. The court ruled that while Parliament had the authority to amend various provisions of the Constitution, it could not alter its basic structure. This basic structure doctrine encompasses essential features of the Constitution, such as democracy, federalism, the separation of powers, and fundamental rights.
Can you describe the significance of the Kesavananda Bharati case, 1973, and how it established the basic structure, doctrine?
The Kesavananda Bharati case established the basic structure, doctrine, which limits Parliament's power to amend the Constitution by safeguarding essential features like democracy, federalism, separation of powers, and fundamental rights. The impact of this case cannot be overstated, as it ensured the preservation of the core principles and values enshrined in the Constitution, protecting them from arbitrary changes. The basic structure, doctrine serves as a cornerstone of Indian constitutional law, providing a vital safeguard against potential abuse of power by the legislative branch. This is a testament to the dynamic nature of Indian jurisprudence, where legal principles are forged through rigorous debate, interpretation, and the pursuit of justice. These landmark cases exemplify how the Indian legal system adapts and evolves, upholding the principles of justice and ensuring that the Constitution remains a living document that safeguards the rights and liberties of all citizens.
Contemporary legal issues in India.
We turn our gaze toward the present and the legal challenges that India faces in the 21st century. The Indian legal system is not static. It adapts in response to the evolving needs and complexities of society. As aspiring lawyers, it's essential to understand the contemporary legal issues that demand our attention and advocacy. One pressing issue in India is environmental law and the growing concern over environmental degradation and pollution. Major Indian cities are grappling with severe air pollution, impacting the health and well-being of millions. The legal framework for environmental protection is continually evolving to address these challenges, with cases related to air quality, waste management, and conservation frequently making their way to courts.
Can you discuss a contemporary legal issue in India related to environmental law and its significance?
Air pollution in major Indian cities is a critical contemporary issue, affecting public health and necessitating legal measures to improve air quality and address the environmental impact. Another critical area of concern is cybersecurity and cybercrime. With the increasing digitization of daily life, India faces new challenges related to online security and privacy. Cybercrimes, including hacking, identity theft, and financial fraud, pose threats to individuals and organizations alike. Consequently, India has been working to strengthen its cybersecurity laws, regulations, and enforcement mechanisms to combat these emerging threats effectively.
How has cybercrime become a pressing legal issue in India, and what steps are being taken to address it?
The proliferation of cybercrimes, such as hacking and online fraud, has led to the need for robust cybersecurity laws, regulations, and enforcement agencies to protect individuals and organizations from digital threats. These contemporary legal issues reflect the ever-changing landscape of Indian law. As lawyers, it is your responsibility not only to understand the current challenges, but also to actively engage in addressing them. Advocacy, litigation, and policy-making in these areas can have a profound impact on society, helping to safeguard individual rights, protect the environment, and ensure a secure digital future.
Ethical and professional responsibilities of lawyers.
In this concluding chapter of our lecture series on Indian laws for future lawyers, we shift our focus to the ethical and professional responsibilities that are the bedrock of the legal profession. While legal knowledge and skills are essential, it is ethics that truly define the character and integrity of a lawyer. Let's delve into the significance of ethics in the legal field and the responsibilities lawyers bear toward clients, the court, and the profession. Ethics, in the context of the legal profession, are the guiding principles that shape a lawyer's conduct. These principles include integrity, honesty, confidentiality, and a commitment to upholding the rule of law. Lawyers are not just legal practitioners. They are officers of the court and play a vital role in ensuring that justice is served. Upholding ethical standards is paramount, as it fosters trust in the legal system and preserves the integrity of the profession.
Why is ethics important in the legal profession, and how do ethical standards impact a lawyer's conduct?
Ethics are crucial in maintaining trust, integrity, and professionalism in the legal profession. Ethical standards guide lawyers' conduct, ensuring they act in the best interests of their clients and uphold the rule of law. A lawyer's responsibilities extend to various stakeholders, beginning with their clients. Lawyers have a fiduciary duty to act in the best interests of their clients, providing competent and diligent representation. This includes maintaining client confidentiality, providing honest advice, and advocating zealously on their behalf within the bounds of the law.
Discuss the professional responsibilities of lawyers towards clients and the court.
Lawyers have a duty to provide a competent and zealous representation to clients, while also maintaining respect for the court, opposing parties, and the legal profession's ethical standards. Lawyers also have a responsibility to the court. This involves upholding the highest standards of professionalism, fairness, and respect during legal proceedings. They must present accurate information and arguments, avoid frivolous litigation, and refrain from any conduct that could undermine the administration of justice. Furthermore, lawyers are entrusted with maintaining the honor and dignity of the legal profession itself. They must refrain from any activities or actions that could tarnish the profession's reputation. This includes avoiding conflicts of interest, refraining from misleading advertising, and engaging in pro bono work to ensure access to justice for all.
As we draw the curtains on this enlightening journey through the intricate world of Indian law, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our viewers, especially those aspiring lawyers who have joined us on this odyssey. Throughout this lecture series, we've ventured deep into the heart of India's legal landscape, uncovering its foundations, its branches, its landmark cases, and its contemporary challenges. The legal profession, as we've discovered, is not just about interpreting statutes or arguing cases. It's about upholding justice, preserving rights, and safeguarding the principles that underpin our democracy. The legal system is a dynamic force, constantly evolving to meet the needs of society, and it's your role, as aspiring lawyers, to be the torchbearers of this change. As you've explored the diverse facets of Indian law, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the complexities and nuances that define our legal system. Whether you're considering a career in litigation, corporate law, environmental law, or any other specialized field, remember that you have the power to shape the future of justice in India. But this journey doesn't end here. The legal profession demands continuous learning, ethical conduct, and unwavering commitment. I encourage you to delve deeper into the areas that pique your interest, to engage in debates that challenge your perspectives, and to champion the cause of justice with empathy and diligence. Stay curious, stay committed, and stay connected. Explore further, seek mentorship, and connect with the legal community. And above all, never forget that the law is not just a profession. It's a vocation, a calling to serve society, protect rights, and uphold the rule of law. Thank you for joining us on this voyage of legal discovery. Your journey as future lawyers is just beginning, and the path ahead is filled with opportunities to make a difference. Embrace it with enthusiasm, integrity, and a passion for justice. Until we meet again on this channel, remember, the pursuit of justice is a noble endeavor, and you are its champions. Wishing you all the success in your legal careers. Stay inspired, and let justice prevail. Goodbye for now, and see you in the courtrooms, the law firms, and the courters of justice.